I'll be demonstrating along inertia. Materials required for this experiment are a glass jar. Glass also works for this experiment. A playing card and a coin. Take your glass jar and your playing card. Place the playing card over the tip of your glass jar like this. Now take your coin and place it over the playing card. Now snap your finger and observe your results. The results are the coin falls down and the card flies over. It's said to be that the card and the coin are at rest. They stay motionless because of their inertia. Inertia is the tendency of a material not to change its motion or the state of rest. So whenever the card is snapped, the card slips down onto the stationary coin. Gravity pulls down the coin, making it drop down to the glass. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do consider liking and subscribing. Most importantly, please do consider to share with your friends and family members. And don't forget to press the bell icon for future updates on our channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.